All right, guys, well, it's day 2, and we are at the Kenworth booth. Bobby's a little tired.
For today's video, I've partnered with Athletic Greens. As a business owner, I know how important it is to maintain a healthy lifestyle in order to perform at my best. That's why I've started using Athletic Greens, specifically their AG1 formula. Athletic Greens has been a game changer for me. AG1 is a comprehensive, all-in-one daily supplement that provides essential vitamins and minerals, probiotics and prebiotics to support optimal health and performance. I used to take multiple supplements to try and get all the nutrients I needed, but now I don't have to worry about that. AG1 is easy to use. I just mix it with water and drink it in the morning. It saves me time and money, and it ensures that I'm getting all the nutrients that I need to stay healthy and focused. I've noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being since I started AG1. And as a business owner, that's exactly what I needed. I need to be able to focus and perform at my best. If you're busy like me and you want to perform your best every day, I highly recommend giving Athletic Greens a try. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your health and performance. Use the link in the description and receive a free 1-year supply of vitamin D3, K2, and 5 free travel packs of AG1 on your first purchase. Thank you to Athletic Greens for sponsoring this video.
Hey guys, I know you're into old school trucking, and I'm here with the Boston Trucker. Definitely go check him out because he has the best videos about all of the old school trucks out there.
Yep. Thank you. Check me out, Boston Trucker on YouTube.
How much does one of those run?
Those?
Yeah.
Those are the air ones, so they're probably a little cheaper, but like the electric ones like those, those are really expensive. Probably 100 grand for 6 of them, at least. I don't know about these.
Yeah.
Probably also very expensive though.
Yeah.
They're probably
Yeah. think I need these. They don't have to be green. I don't want to be able to make them any color I want.
It's one color. It switches from amber to that. 'Cause this is not okay to drive on the road.
Amber blue, amber purple, amber green, amber white, amber green. We could get... Your face says it all. Says no.
Gonna have to run more wires all over the truck.
Is it?
Yeah, it's freaking huge in there.
Yeah.
Like you can't like palm because you're like reaching way out.
I do need to drive it. Maybe when we get home, I'll drive it. Oh, there you go. These are bigger, aren't they? No? I know how much you love red and
cool. I like that.
Oh, the leather wrap one.
Yeah.
It's on hold.
Sold.
Yeah, on the back it says hold.
Yeah.
This one's cool. Glitter blue for you?
No.
Hey Braxton. You look really good, bud. I like your outfit. Yeah. You like your hat?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Oh dang, he's outfitted with all Beyond Dirt.
Yeah,
You know, I was just thinking, I haven't been back to work for 3 weeks now. You should have called me. I would have come and helped you.
Clean my truck a little better.
Well, no, I mean, just be there and help.
Hey, I'm trying to hire you guys to move you to Tennessee, and hopefully this woman of yours come and drive my dump truck.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
I just sent
Sure,
him.
Bobby.
She's more liked than me, though.
I don't know.
I actually
really liking you.
Everybody talks about wanting to see you more on the channel. Everybody
I
likes
want
you.
to see him way more.
Yeah.
Bobby is
I just gotta have
my
some
new best
drinks.
friend.
It makes it a little easier.
You know, I go out and search for men for Bobby to be best friends with. That's like what I do.
You did a good job at it.
Yeah. No, I do.
You approve of me?
Yeah, I approve. And we got James.
Where's all my people? I have talked to a couple though.
I know. I've been here.
Yeah.
I've witnessed it. You have a couple fans.
Yeah, I do have some fans. I did have a guy come by today and give me a 5EK cat engine for free.
Oh.
He said, he's the guy. No.
I need it.
Where do I get fans that give us free cat engines?
He's the guy who bought, you remember Bruce's Peterbilt that he bought? That he was going to make a pulling truck and the engine was blown up, but he had another 5EK that went with it. That guy's the one who bought that truck and that engine from Bruce. So he's giving me the blown up. It's not blown up, just needs a crank. 5EK out of that truck for free.
Wow.
What's wrong with the crank?
Need, a spun bearing. Same thing that's run with all of my stuff.
Too.
Huh?
Probably gonna have to machine the block too.
Yeah, probably.
Line board.
Yeah. But you know what? It's free. so I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna build a race truck or a pulling truck someday. So it'll be a good motor. But you need a 5EK, you say?
We just like free stuff.
Oh.
We don't.
Well, I could use one.
We'll find a use for it. Free entire motors.
I think I'd rather have a B model put in 77.
I have some B models.
You're a long way from me.
Yes. It's a long pickup truck ride to grab a B model. Yeah.
I could do it.
I have many. You guys got to come anyways because you got to come and drive my trucks.
Yeah.
So you can see what it's like to be slumming.
Hey, you haven't seen what I drive.
Okay guys, so this is the second half of the video. It is day 3 and we are just heading over to the booth that I've been hanging out at this whole time. I know you guys haven't seen it yet because I haven't taken any video. CDL Drivers Unlimited. And there's Lee. Hi Lee.
So, the reason people should join CDL, DU, or DF is because the alliances or organizations that are out there don't speak for the driver. They're not drivers. We are drivers. Drivers run everything, the committees, the council, and the drivers speak. So, you can either do it 2 ways, pay somebody to do it or do it yourself. Or I guess 3 ways, sit back and do nothing but complain.
That was Lee explaining why you should join CDL Drivers Unlimited if you are a truck driver or you know a truck driver and you want to advocate for truck drivers' rights. We made it home.
Not yet.
Okay. Okay. Ooh! It almost didn't do it.
That's normal.
Okay. Look at us. Okay, we're going home now. Okay guys, well, we are almost home from Matt's. It is almost midnight, right? Is it 11? Midnight? I don't know. Something like that. But we are back in Seattle and headed home, and I will see you guys next time.